Good morning, crypto fam, and welcome to another day of absolute chaos in the markets. Starting with the big Bitcoin news, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong just dropped a bomb saying Bitcoin could hit $1 million by 2030, which honestly sounds wild, but then again, we're living in wild times. Speaking of big moves, Brazilian public company OranjeBTC just scooped up 3,650 Bitcoin for $385 million, proving institutional adoption is still red hot, even as retail sentiment sits firmly in fear territory according to the latest Fear and Greed Index. Meanwhile, Sam Bankman-Fried decided to grace us with a good morning tweet from prison because apparently orange jumpsuits come with internet access now. Over in traditional markets, Nvidia's getting some insider selling pressure with director Mark Stevens dumping 350,000 shares worth over $61 million, though the company's still riding high on AI hype, even as China's Huawei announces plans to challenge their chip dominance over the next 3 years. Micron posted some solid numbers with revenue up 46% year over year to $11.3 billion, while AutoZone clocked in with adjusted earnings per share at $48.71. Fed Chair Powell's playing it cool, saying they're well positioned after last week's rate cuts, but he's also warning that inflation uncertainty remains high, which is Fed speak for buckle up buttercup. Bank of Canada's Tiff Macklem threw some shade at Trump's Fed pressure tactics, warning it could threaten the dollar's safe haven status. Trump's claiming the stock market is doing better than ever while his administration signals major crypto wins ahead, with the SEC reportedly ready to drop burdensome requirements for crypto companies and the White House expecting crypto market structure bills to pass this year. Sweden just cut rates for the 8th time down to 175 basis points. Gold smashed through $3,800 per ounce as China makes strategic moves to challenge dollar dominance. And Deutsche Bank says central banks might actually hold Bitcoin by 2030. In a plot twist that would make your head spin, Morgan Stanley's letting E-Trade clients trade Bitcoin starting next year, while Fidelity's busy selling $276 million worth of the stuff. The altcoin space is buzzing too, with Tether reportedly in talks to raise $20 billion at a $500 billion valuation, FG Nexus acquiring 50,000 Ethereum worth $210 million for their treasury, Binance founder CZ calling for 50% fee cuts on BNB chain, options now trading on XRP and Dogecoin ETFS, and the CFTC allowing stablecoins as collateral in derivatives markets for the first time. Visa, Stripe, and Fold are teaming up for a Bitcoin credit card. BlackRock and VanEck token holders can now redeem for Ripple's RLUSD. And XRP Ledger's roadmap includes some serious upgrades with multi-purpose tokens and zero-knowledge privacy features. That's your Wednesday wrap, folks. Same time tomorrow for whatever madness the markets serve up next.